Alright, so today I'm going to show you that how you can make this mask at home really easy if you cannot find anywhere. Here I have is pillowcase. You can simply use pillowcase if you have cotton one, that's the best. Then second option here I have is this, just a cotton cloth, just the square one. If you have this, just the option I'm guys showing you, if you have this is fine. And then here I have, I don't know what exactly this called, but this is like a scarf thing. You can wear it in your in a winter. You can wear it on your head to cover your head, your hair, or as a scarf around your neck. So this is multi-purpose use. You can, if you have this, you can use this too. So let me just first show you how you can make mask with the pillowcase. And yes, you also need the rubber band. You can use the simple like a rubber band, or you just hairband like this. Alright, so first mask we are going to make with the pillowcase. So I have this seal side over here, the open side on the other side. So I will start folding from the seal side. So this, keep on folding. So I folded 4 times, and now what I'm going to do is, you want to bring this open side over, and then you want to tuck this inside. So insert that in. Okay, just like this. Now you're gonna take a rubber band. I'm gonna take this one, this two, insert from each side. So this one I'm gonna insert it over here, and this one to this side, like this. Fold it both ends, just like this. Fold it over, as you can see. If your mask is too long, that what you can, when you fold it, you can tuck it in like this. But mine is not too long, so I don't going to do that. I'm gonna leave it just like this, and it's okay. There is a gap. When you wear it, it's more comfortable. It's not gonna feel anything. And I'm also going to wear it and show you. So here is my mask, and I'm gonna wear it for you. Your DIY mask. I'm gonna show you the second one. Now I'm going to show you with this scarf I talked about earlier. So this is really simple. It comes like this, so you can wear it like, you know, this is how you wear it, like a scarf. So you can wear it and cover your nose just like this. It's gonna be really thin, but it's better than nothing. But I'm gonna show you how you can make mask out of it. Just fold it from the center, just like this. Once you fold it, insert this from one end like this, and doing same thing from the other end. So as you can see we insert it from the both side. You simply fold it, the both edges, just like we did it for the other one, just like this, and your mask is ready. Let me wear this and show you this mask. It's perfect. If you have just the cotton cloth, do the same step as we did for this one. Do the same thing for this one. Just keep on folding and insert the rubber band from the both side and fold it over and wear it. So it's the same method. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this DIY mask video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and family, and stay safe, stay healthy, stay home.